What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming at you, man. I hope everybody having an awesome day, a blessed day, man. Even though it's cold outside, but the sun is still shining, man. But we blessed to be here today. But man, today, man, this video is sponsored by Memphis Shades. Yes, Memphis Shade, man. You can go check out their website at memphisshade.com, or you can go to Amazon, click in the search bar, click in Memphis Shade. It should bring up all the products that they carry on there as well. So yeah, man, today, man, we're gonna put on some handguards, man. I like to thank Mike from Memphis Shade for sending these over, man. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you for sponsoring and helping out the channel, man. Man, much appreciated. So hey, man, we're gonna put on some handguards, man. He gave me some handguards. Y'all know in the summertime, man, I like to rock these kind of gloves here, y'all. They kind of thin right here and everything, but they are great gloves. They're padded in the inside, but it's no protection on the outside. So yeah, so I got a couple of different pair of these gloves, man, but these are some very comfortable gloves. But yeah, but no padding at all. I rock these as well, but they got a little padding here. So yeah, these Odins right here, but they got a pad here. But man, you still need protection from the wind. If it's cold, I done been dinged in the knuckles so many times. It's crazy in my hand by rocks and bugs. So yeah, but we're gonna get these handguards installed, y'all. They sent me some black handguards. They easy to put on. I'm gonna show you one side how to put them on, and the other side I'm not gonna bore you with it because I'm pretty sure it's a lot of other people out here that has these handguards right here. So it's not a hard installment. So, but we're gonna get them put on. Cone here, and I'm pretty sure he definitely appreciate them, man. So yeah, we're gonna get it rocking. So let's get to the installment. I got my tools already set. So we're gonna pull the mirrors off. It's very easy, and I'll show you how to get it installed. All right, so we're gonna get it started here right now. We got the 13" millimeter. We're gonna take your 13" and just loosen it up, and it should be easy. Make sure you don't lose your washers. You have a washer at the top, and you have a washer at the bottom. So yeah. So that is it on that. And we're gonna lay the mirror here in the washers because we're gonna need those in a minute. And we're gonna take the Memphis Shades handguard, and we're gonna take the bracket. The brackets and the handguards are pretty much the same on each one of them. So I'm gonna show you how to put them in. This is a 7/16 right here. So we're gonna take the screw out, set it here. You got these little rubber things here. We're gonna take the rubber grommet, and we got to work the rubber grommet in here. So we'll get that put in. That's one on. Put that right here. We get the other rubber grommet off. We'll take this off. Install the other rubber grommet right here. And these would definitely help you. I needed them this morning, y'all, because it was so cold this morning when I rode to my meeting. Even with my heated grips, my hands were still cold because the wind was still hitting. The heated grips is good for the inside of the hand. So it keeps the inside of the hands warm. So we're going to take these right here and this here. You're going to take the little black washer and the little black ring here, put them on, and slide them on just like that right there. See that? Then you still got that right there. Then you take this and make sure you twist them to the side like that, because they got the little different angles on them. So to go up in there, you're gonna take your bolt and your washer, and you're gonna just screw it in. Just screw it in, that's all you gotta do. We're gonna take our little wrench, the 7/16, and we're just gonna tighten it up. Make sure you don't tighten it too tight, because you'll crack it. So make sure you don't do that. You all know your own strength, so you all know when you're at a good spot. I'm gonna get a good place right there. Okay, and now we're gonna take the mirror and we're gonna take the handguard, and you're just gonna put the mirror right through the handguard, right down like that. Look at that. That looks good. So now I'm just gonna tighten the mirror up, get that on, make sure you got your washers and everything else. And now we're gonna put it on, and we're gonna get it adjusted to where we need it so that it will work for me. You gotta make sure it works for you. The gap is not too big, everything. So let me get my wrench right here, and we're gonna tighten it up. And I try to get it set with my hand, make sure I'm good with it, that it works for me. So let me check, make sure it's good for me on my hand. Oh yeah, that's perfect right there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, because you don't want it too close to your hand, because you don't want to be coming into something quick stop and you can't grab your brake if you need to. So, but yeah, that's perfect, and I think it'll be good. Also with my glove on, so let me. Oh yeah, that's perfect right there. So let me finish getting this tighten up, and we'll be right back at you, okay? And we'll get the other one on, and we'll show you what they look like, all right? Man, look at the handguards, y'all. What do y'all think about the handguard? If you rocking Memphis Shade's handguard on your bike, man, let me know, man, down in the comment. Definitely, man. Y'all make sure y'all click that like, share, and subscribe for me as well. So, but y'all tell me what y'all think about the handguard. Man, I can still make my U-turns and not touch my windshield at all. So yeah, so man, I like to thank Memphis Shades again for sending these over, man. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. Thank you very much for sending these over. Memphis Shades. So man, like I said, y'all go check out memphisshades.com, or you can also go to Amazon. Click up in the search box, click Memphis Shade, and it should bring up all the products that they have on the website. So man, y'all have a blessed one, man. Y'all stay safe. My big truck drivers, much love, man. Y'all keep the tools up, y'all. Keep them up. I'm out. Peace.